Jira Query Language. So this is a simple and very useful in the Jira. So basic use of this one, if you want to find out some issues in the project, so how you can do that. Okay, so there is one way, the normal way. You can search any issues over here like this. If you want to search network, so network tab, you can see whatever the value is matching with the, let me open this in the new tab, with summary or the description it will come. So in the summary network is not there, but if you will control F and search for network, you can see description is showing the network. So like this is the one way I can search issues, but I don't want like this. I want the specific issues to search. So how I can do, with the help of JQL, Jira Query Language, so I can create a filter and search for the issues. So please, you have to go to issues and search for issue. There is two way available, one is basic way, one is advanced way. Both are working the same. So in the basic way, you don't need to give some operator like AND or OR operator, but in the advanced way you have to write the query and you need to select the operator AND and OR operator. Like I am using the basic search. Please select the project. I am selecting ACM project. I am selecting bug issue type. Once I will click on search, you no need to click on search as well. You can see these are the 8 results are coming. Okay, now I want to change the status. I want only reopen. So you can see there are 2 tickets are there, reopen and in progress there are 3 tickets, reopen, open. So like this you can use the basic search. Now I want to use the advanced search. Please click on advanced search. Here you can see this is already got created. I want to write from the beginning. So what you have to do, what type of field or what type of issue you want. I want issues which are in the resolved status or done status, and issue type is a bug, and in the project ACM project. So you have to write project equal to ACM and issue type equal to bug and status equal to resolved. Once you click on search, you can see this is the result I found. There is only one issue which is satisfying this condition or this JQL. Okay, I want to add some other values as well, some other columns I want to add, but summary is not there and description is not there. So how you can do, you can click on the column. Here you can search for the summary. Just select summary, select description and click on done. You can see description and summary are coming. If you want to move from here to there, just like this you can do that. Okay, now I want all issues. Okay, as you can see there are 8 issues are there, but I want which issues got updated recently. So how I can do that, just click on the update. So you can see it's coming. So there is one term scheme that is ordered by updated DESC. Okay, in descending order it's coming like this. If you want in ascending order, just click on that ASC. So it's in ascending order. If you want the same for the created as well, just click on this. So see, created is a description descending order, but updated is in the ascending order. If you want both, so like this you can do that.